Hi everyone, it's your favorite garment engineer, Lady V. So I'm working on some pants for my son, and I just wanted to show you a nice trick that I do. I usually add a piece of strip or a binding onto the hole of the pocket, and I flip it onto the other side. As you can see, this is how it looks once you flip it onto the other side and sew it down. It's really easy and really helpful. This is the right side, so you can see how clean it is. Now let's add a pocket. Now when I make my pockets, if it's just single pocket, I have two sides, the top and the bottom. I serge two of the sides, I flip it over, line it up with where the waistband will be and the side of the pocket where it's open. And then I only sew it from the end of the pocket to the top of the pocket. Now let's flip it over so you can see what I mean. See where it's attached at? Right up there, you'll sew it. Then you sew around because you can feel as you sew it. And you'll stop there. Now let me show you on the actual pant that is done. See how it's sewn in? And on the other side, you have a full-on pocket. There's the sew seam and pocket. Hope this helped. Happy sewing.